is a butterfly design. It's really, really cute. Bam! I thought it was a little bit more sexy in the picture, but actually this is more forgiving panty. This is more like conservative type. Sexy in the front, but the back side is conservative, so it hides your bottom area right here. More like a silky type of material, very cold to the touch, soft, yes, and light. Very affordable lingerie to guys. Super sexy. The string here is super tiny. You can see how it looks, but actually in the front this is like the exciting part here. So look at that. It's nice talaga siya. Here, the detail here, look at the detail. It's really, really cool. Nice. Super, ano siya, super sexy talaga. It will emphasize, if you have curve, this can emphasize everything on that. Yes. And if you have a good round bottom, this is so perfect. And this is not just like plain, but it has like flowery prints to it. I don't know if you can see that the camera can pick it up, but it has some prints in there. But here in the front, guys, it's like butterfly, no? This is a butterfly design. It's really, really cute, really nice. Okay, comfortable, yes, I can wear it comfortably without having issues with my problematic areas. A very nice panty. It's a lace, flowery. A panty kong nipis. Why? Ang panty ko dahil dili ukay-ukay, kundi sa Shopee ni Day. Why? As you can see, guys, it's a very tiny see-through. Oh, match kami, no? Pa baby pink. Ano to siya? In real? It's like, loading. This is like a baby pink. And the detail of this, I really like it. It's like embroidery, no? See that? Of course, again, see-through. Also like a mesh, no? There's a bow. This is very, very appealing to everybody. Ivana, alawi ba tayo dito? Yes. Lupot mo dalagdaan, Ivana ka na. May paano siya pa, guys. O, pa star siya. It's really, really like striking. This is striking. And the price for this, I think it's about $49. 49 pesos lang. Very mura. Mamura lang to. Mura. Bisaya ka dahil. Very cheap siya. Probably it's just the factory about like the seams. I think that's what makes it like cheaper. But for me, the design, para talaga siyang social talaga siyang panty, no? Agree mo? How about you guys? You guys, you. Do you agree? Yeah, right? Right? It's pretty sexy, right? I certainly recommend this, guys. This one, guys, very, very striking. Para kang nabullseye nito ba, no? Para kang ewan. Hit me, baby, one more time. Look at that, guys, diba? Look at the details. Oh, parang ano siya? Egyptian. Like that. Parang walk like an Egyptian. Alright, hello? Ang lipstick ba? La 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 la. Bagay na bagay pala. How about dito sa taas? No? Parang fit na fit din yata to eh. Oh, perfect, guys. Oh, parang ano pa rin, oh. Para rin siyang headpiece, no? Para kang si Reynolds, Jezebel. Oh, malamig ka sa dagat. Ay, pwede pala, oh. Or ibang ano na to, ibang Darna. Do you see? Pwede mo siyang headpiece, no? Ayaw niya sa baba, ang headpiece niya na lang. Ganda niya, oh. Oh, match niya yung lipstick, no? Ganda-ganda. It's not really like see-through. No, it has like a mesh, but flowery. It's a very affordable, sexy lingerie. You will be amazed when you look at this in person because it's very, very beautiful. Mapawaw ka talaga. Mapawaw, parang si Ivana. Look at me. What can it mean? Ano ba? Ito. Tcharan! Wala pink. Wait, parang the same sa gi-order ko. Oh, different, guys. Different. Oh, this is exciting. Look at that. I thought it's butterfly, flower, lace, embroidery, G-string, of course, again, thong. Yes, it's very sexy, light material. The seams are pretty good. I don't see any like loose threads in here. Oops, nope, there's a loose thread over here. Look at that. She-bang. Two stripes here. Living la vida loca. You are going to be so sexy with this one. Triangle in the back. Para tong si Kim Kardashian look. Very tiny, small. You need to be butty in here.